Hello, today we're going to review spring vocabulary words. Here are some sentence frames. I see a. My favorite spring activity is. I like the. In spring I wear. In the spring I enjoy. And finally, I like spring weather because. Umbrella. Grow. Butterfly. Planting. Nest. Flowers. Rain. Bumblebee. Basket of eggs. Rain boots. Rainbow. Bunny rabbit. Duck. Lamb. Bird. Splash. Dig. Smell. Raincoat. Watering. Come back anytime to review your spring words. Thank you so much for watching. Please go comment using one of these words and I will be sure to write you back. Check out our other videos on the seasons. Bye!